Where are we going?
Lakeland, man.
Lakeland VW Classic Show for 2023. We're heading to the RP Funding Center. It's a 3-day camping event. Lakeland VW Classic Show is just a great show, especially if you have a Volkswagen and you need Volkswagen parts. Get out of that swap meet.
Yeah, I brought some cash, man. I'm ready.
I'll see you there. Hey man, who we got here?
West Coast Core, John Moe.
Hey, what's up?
Yeah.
Look, we got a 3236 kit right here.
That's going to be for our 66 wannabe 1776 build. We've been sitting with all the parts on the shelf for 2 years. I just got Frank Valone to hook me up and put a 1776 together, and I got extra parts left that he didn't need to use, so I'm going to build 1641. So we're going to get 2 motors built while he's in town, no doubt.
Check out West Coast Core. Links down in the description.
He said, as long as you feed me, I'm gonna stick around.
Damn!
Look at that.
It's like
That thing is skilled.
It's like precision.
Look at that.
Well, good morning guys, it's Saturday, 8 a.m. Look who we got here.
You know I gotta show up. I gotta represent.
Yep,
Lakeland 2023. Hey, and not instant coffee. We actually have a percolator now.
We got our Just Buggin merch all chilling here.
New tie-dyes.
Come get you a tie-dye in all the different colors. I love this one. Pastel rainbow.
We got a bent rim and it's
got a
always
bent rim.
wounded.
So it's like da-dunk, da-dunk, da-dunk. I put out a little post saying anybody got a 15-inch wide 5 that is in good condition, not rusted out, not bent. A guy named Brian commented on it and was like, hey man, I got a rim. He was like, I'll bring it to Lakeland if we could do a little swap for a t-shirt and just paint them white, maybe do the little green on the inside, and then throw them on the 66 wannabe. One of these days. Well, there you go, man. Thanks.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
First pick of the day, 73 Super Beetle, 7800. I love that. That's sweet. Really nice 73 Super Beetle. Hector, what's up, man?
What's up?
Good to see you.
Great seeing you too, man.
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
All right.
Look at this, very neat West Coast metric, 3 split window collection, 20 bucks. Then I get a little Easter bunny buggy for Allie.
Yeah.
Because Easter's coming out.
You gotta get your girl that.
Hey! Yeah, already buying some stuff. Swap meets are where it's at.
Yeah, gotta start early, bird gets the worm.
If you ain't at the Lakeland Swap Meet, where are you?
Yeah,
That's right.
what I wanna know.
Somebody made me do this. I wasn't going to clean up. They're like, dude, you're embarrassing the group. You got to wipe your hands off, man.
That's why I wear black, because I'm a magnet to dirt.
Yes. All my black shirts have stains on them too, but
This is the Swap Meet attire. Every time I see him at a Swap Meet, that's it.
hey, wait a second. Einstein wore the same thing every day. He didn't waste the time. He just wore the one that was next. Not saying I'm Einstein, but that might be the one thing I had in common.
At the last show, we got one of these to give back to Charlie because he gave one to Sergio for his birthday. But now we're going to get another SP2 and give this to Sergio. Look how many SP2s he's got. And he's got a convertible Type 34. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. You like clowns?
Yes, I love to clown around.
Works me. Links down in the description.
Hey, how you doing?
Pretty good. How about you?
Selling out, liquidating,
Yep.
selling the whole shop. I can't bring it with me.
I saw a post on Facebook about selling.
Right.
That's
me.
you?
We're selling out.
I saw
43
that.
years, we're gonna retire and learn how to fish.
Hey, that's nice. We'll catch you some bass.
That sounds like good times.
Is that another SP2?
Man, I don't understand it. Couldn't find one, and next thing you know, half a dozen of them.
Some blaze cut, links down in the description. Some man's bugging baby. It happens.
I don't want to buy another
Check them
one.
out. Links down in the
Scares me.
description. All your transmission needs. West Coast Core right here. 1776, 1641, 1600. If you guys need any motors or any parts, tins. What's up, bro?
Hey, man, you.
Valve cover gaskets, your pulleys. There's John. Distributors. Anything you need. West Coast Core.
Transporters, campers in disguise. That's my single cab transporter.
Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Birthday, and everything in between.
You serious?
Yeah.
You the man.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Love you for it, man. That's awesome, man. I gotta put that in my shop.
got this sweet little Cushman right here. Awesome. That's what you need to throw your Volkswagen parts in the back, especially your EMPI parts. Throw them all in your Cushman. Go around the swap meet. You got the setup right there. What's up? Yeah, Buggin.
Oh,
Look who we got here. What's up? Yeah. AirCooledFool.com. Frank Malone right here, the man. If you want any motors built, hit him up.
Oh yeah.
Air-cooled fool. How you doing, man?
How are you guys?
Just bugging on a daily.
Yep, living the life.
Oh
Living the
yeah.
life.
Hey Donald, what's up?
Hey. Who remembers Peach's Records?
We used to go to Peach's Records all the time and sift through all the vinyl.
Where was it located?
I think it was Winter Garden, Fairbanks, somewhere over there back in the day.
Hey, just bugging.
Just Buggin.
I follow you guys on YouTube, man. It's nice
That's
to meet
awesome,
you.
man. Thank you for
I bought
that.
a shirt from you guys earlier while your mom was over there.
Hell yeah. Thanks, man. I
It's nice
appreciate all
meeting
the
you.
support. Nice meeting you too. Machine looking Vanagon pulling up.
Yeah, look at that. Had to hurry over there and get these heads before they all get sold out, man. For that 1641 they're gonna build at Nodo for us.
Let's
It's
go
awesome.
score. Check them out.
Oh yeah.
Good morning, man. It's Sunday.
We're getting the day started with some
Oh
eggs,
man, sausages, potatoes, eggs,
52 degrees out.
And
We got
that
some
did
OJ
and
right
some
here.
real coffee.
Let's get this day started.
G-Man, we're here at Lakeland Classic VW Show.
Yeah, man, and he's taking over the channel now.
Yeah, it's all me now, man. We don't need D-Man no more. It's G-Man.
All right, G-Man, can we see an editing tutorial?
What's that? Duh. We're gonna go buy some tags for our classic vehicles.
Yeah.
Yeah, 67. That's when I was born.
You guys don't know about his 67 yet. So.
Yeah.
Well, let's go get it.
All right.
This one's for the 67 Mustang, 67 Ragtop Custom Bug.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Check them out, guys.
Thank you very
License
much.
plates by Richard Collins.
I'm freezing my ass off.
Repping the Just Buggin. Thank you for that rim.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Oh, there he is!
How you doing, man?
All right, brother. You gonna hit it again? Come on.
What, sign
I
it?
don't, you have to, brother. Come on.
Alrighty.
A little chilly, but it's better than being
A
hot.
little, yeah, for real. Throw it down. Do it all. There it is. VW love.
What's your little doorbell do?
That's the horn.
Is it really?
Kobe, what's up? What's up, man?
How's it going? No, I don't know if you can use this, man. I stumbled across this. That's awesome.
Man.
It probably don't fit on the car. It's probably too new to you.
This is our fastback. We look for this one most of the time. Hey, there's Dalton from Just Buggin. How you doing,
What's
buddy?
up? Getting a
Always
little
working.
behind the scenes of Haptic Garage going on.
There you go. We're live with some folks on YouTube. How are you?
Pretty good.
Did you get those 67 plates?
Yes.
Right here.
This goes on the Stang and this goes on the...
67 rag top.
We'll see you around, man.
Good running into you.
Man, a great job.
Yes, it is. Nice seeing Haptic Garage running around.
We see him everywhere we go.
Yeah. And he always does such a great live stream, so definitely go show him some love. Links down in the description.
Hell, it could be my fault. I blew out my flip-flop, stepped on a pop-top, hit my heel, had to cruise on back home.
Well, we stopped for a little coffee break.
What's up,
man? How you doing?
All right.
Getting you some
I
parts?
snuck away. The wife got here, so I snuck away.
Ooh, nice, nice. Buddy Eric over here is getting a little interview done. Watched local live TV, just got interviewed by them. Thank you for interviewing us, telling the story about Chaka.
Hi, who am I with today?
G-Man, Greg from Just Buggin.
And Dalton from Just Buggin.
We go to all VW shows all over the state of Florida and we film them and show the entire experience, not just the cars, but everything behind the scenes that goes on at these great events. Just Buggin on a daily.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys. Lakeland is the place to be. Hopefully they make it look beautiful.
A lot of the great ones start that way.
Yep.
Got to bring them back.
And it's out of here. A 2-in-1 bay window deal for $5,500. Get that bay window, then that bay window.
One more time to kill the
all ready to leave. Everybody's getting all packed up. We ended up missing the awards, but we got them past 2 years. We would have loved to have been over there, but congratulations to everyone that won an award, won the raffle buggy, along with the motor. We had a great time at Lakeland VW Classic for 2023. What a great 3-day event. You got Friday setting up, mostly vendors and the people that want to be there all 3 days. And then Saturday, you got the great swap meet. And then Sunday is check out all the sweet rides, see what other vendors show up. Of course, check out the awards and whatnot at the end of the day, which we missed. We got everything packed up and ready to head home.
Head out in Chaka.
Thank you, Art of Wheel and Kahuna's Grill, for giving that to my dad.
See you all at No Dough.
Yep.
Let's go.
So for your first time for Lakeland, you enjoyed it?
Yes, I did. It's a good time.
Chilling with your Volkswagen family?
Yep.
Making new friends?
Absolutely. A lot of nice cars.
Great weekend.
Yes.
That's what we love to hear.
Our gentleman out from West Palm Beach has excessive play and some binding in his steering. He's going to drop it by the house, and I'm going to drop what I'm doing, fix him up so he can get back home.
Yep. So
that's what we do at the VW community, man. Take care of everybody so they can get on back home in one piece.
Nice seeing you, man.
Yeah,
same here.
Yeah. We had a good time and the weather held out, didn't it?
Yeah, now it's getting warm.
Bye, y'all. See you next week.
Got the steering gearbox replaced. Don't have that 5 inches of play in it and the binding. I fixed it. Here's Miguel.
Hello.
He's the one that needed it so he could get back home.
Thank you so much. You're awesome. Thank you for helping me out, man.
And thank you, Frank Falone, Air Cooled Fool. So happen to have a brand new gearbox on the shelf, just like we always do in the VW community. Really glad I could help you out.
Thank you, sir. God bless.
Yep. He's gonna be heading back to West Palm Beach pretty soon here. Just bugging on a daily.
There we go. We'll know where you are when we see you at No Dough.
Just bugging.